Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best Spikeball Pro is probably one of the most exhilarating and competitive outdoor games you can bring to any gathering, transforming a casual day at the park or beach into an intense, high-energy showdown that tests your agility, teamwork, and quick reflexes, making it an absolute must-have for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor fun and challenge their friends. Number 5. Spikeball Original Roundnet Game Set. Experience the thrill of friendly competition with your friends and family. This game set is perfect for outdoor lawns and yards, bringing excitement to any gathering. Easily set it up and play Roundnet on any surface you choose. Whether it's on grass, sand, or even indoors, the fun never stops. It comes complete with 3 balls, the net, a convenient drawstring bag, and a rulebook. This makes it an ideal outdoor game for both adults and kids. Set up the net quickly and dive straight into the action. It's crafted from durable materials, ensuring a long-lasting and enjoyable family game experience. Our mission is to bring people together through competition and fun. It's designed to be a model for how great sports are built, fostering connection and joy. What we like. This set offers a competitive Roundnet experience for all. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting fun. If you're looking for a robust game with extra balls for uninterrupted play, this is an excellent choice for competitive fun with friends and family. What people say. Number 4. GoSports Slammo Game Set. Looking for the ultimate outdoor game? This set brings fast-paced 2 vs 2 Roundnet action to any gathering. It's perfect for non-stop fun with friends and family. Take it to the beach, backyard, park, or even a camping trip. Its versatile design ensures you can enjoy exciting rallies wherever you go. Join millions of players with a complete Roundnet set. It includes the target, competition and training balls, a convenient carry case, and rules to get you started. With simple rules and exciting rallies, this game is perfect for all ages. It keeps everyone moving and engaged, making it ideal for parties and family gatherings. Experience competitive play with its premium build. It features reinforced legs, high-tension netting, and high-performance balls for better bounce and control. Its lightweight design packs easily into the included carry case. You can set it up in minutes without tools, making it perfect for spontaneous fun. What we like. This complete Roundnet set is packed with value for endless outdoor fun. It features reinforced legs for competitive play and comes with a convenient carry case. If you value a durable, portable, and complete package for beach or backyard action, this set is perfect for you. What people say. Number 3. Spikeball Original Kit 1-Ball Game Set. Ready for an exciting challenge? Gather your friends and family for thrilling matches with this dynamic outdoor game. It brings people together through friendly competition and pure enjoyment. No matter the surface, you can set it up and play. Whether it's grass, sand, indoors, or even at your campsite, it adapts to your environment. Enjoy Roundnet wherever your adventures take you. This complete kit includes a ball, the full set, a convenient drawstring bag, and a rulebook. You'll have everything necessary to start playing right out of the box. It's designed for instant fun. Setting up the net is quick and easy, so you can jump straight into the action. Crafted from durable materials, it promises long-lasting enjoyment for countless family games. This set is built to endure. Designed for both adults and kids, this game offers endless entertainment. It's perfect for backyard gatherings, beach days, or any outdoor event. Everyone can join in the excitement. Spikeball's mission is to unite people through competition and fun. They aim to be a model for how great sports are built. Experience the joy of connection and active play. What we like. This is the original kit, known for its quality and fun. It boasts quick setup and durable materials for a long-lasting experience. If you prefer the classic brand and want a reliable, easy-to-assemble game for casual outdoor fun, this is a solid pick. What people say. Number 2. VBSTAR Volleyball Training Equipment Aid. This comprehensive gift set provides everything a team volleyball player needs. It includes a solo serve trainer, setting trainer, backpack, bracelet, and stickers, ensuring they'll actually use it. Practice alone with this innovative rebounder. It instantly returns the ball after every serve, spike, or arm swing, allowing for more quality reps without constant retrieval. Use it anywhere: backyard, gym, beach, or driveway. This equipment helps you master all core volleyball skills. Use it for overhand and underhand serves, perfect your setting hand positioning, and refine your spike and arm swing mechanics. It's one set for every skill. It's designed for both teens and adults, from beginners to experienced players. The adjustable waist strap and elastic cord ensure a perfect fit and allow for various drills, from isolated techniques to full jump serves. Consistent solo practice with this aid builds muscle memory and sharpens accuracy. It helps improve swing technique and serving confidence faster than group practice alone. This is a meaningful gift for anyone serious about improving their volleyball skills. Each set comes in a stunning, gift-ready box, so no wrapping is needed. You also get access to 3 exclusive digital training guides and 23 printable drill cards. These resources will help accelerate your progress from day one. What we like. This equipment is a complete training gift set for volleyball players. It allows for solo practice, returning the ball instantly after every serve or spike. If you're serious about improving your skills without a partner and want to build muscle memory, this aid is invaluable for dedicated practice. What people say. Number 1. Champion Sports Rubber Volleyball. Get ready to warm up your bumps and volleys. This professional volleyball provides unmatched quality and performance, ensuring you get the best out of every game. Featuring a high-quality, nylon-wound butyl bladder, it offers exceptional air retention. You can depend on it for consistent bounce and returns during every game and practice session. Prepare for the big game or your next tournament with this superior ball. It is official, regulation size and weight, helping you develop essential skills with every serve. Whether you're indoors or enjoying the beach, it's ready to go. Constructed with a durable rubber cover, it withstands use on various surfaces like playgrounds or sports fields. Perfect for training high school students or playing a casual game. It's ideal for beginners and pro athletes alike, offering everyone the best way to practice or enjoy the sport. What we like. This durable rubber volleyball is ready for endless fun and practice. Its official size and weight, suitable for both indoor and outdoor play. If you need a versatile, long-lasting ball for recreational games or skill development on any surface, this is an excellent choice for consistent performance. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.